What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Michael from Mike's Build, and today I have a very interesting review. I've been looking forward to this for a very long time because I've been looking to purchase a comm set for myself and my wife, and I've done so much research and this is what I purchased. So I'm going to tell you why I got this and why I think it's the best purchase price wise, budget wise, performance wise compared to whatever is out there. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So, if you're looking for a comm set, you probably want to have some music, some navigation, GPS, be able to talk to people, all that good stuff. And that is exactly what I was looking for when I was looking to purchase a comm set. I ended up with this comm set for a bunch of reasons to say the least. And one of the most important reasons is because it's the 4X, it's part of Cardo's 2022 lineup. I was leaning towards the Pack Talk Bold before, and I saw this, and for the price and for the differences, this was a no-brainer. I'm going to have a link in the description to their website if you want to read more about this. I'm not sponsored by these guys, but this is my honest consumer review. So take it for what it is, and that's just it. As you can see, I currently have this installed on my helmet over here. Install went on pretty smooth, nothing crazy. And I have to say, I am very happy with the way it turned out. The sound quality by these JBL speakers are excellent, which is one of the major reasons why I got this. I wanted something that had good sound quality. I could hear myself speak. I could be heard when I speak, and just overall a good system. And I'm gonna tell you, the 4X is an excellent system. I've done tons of research. I was looking into Cenas and the other off-brand units. The Cardo 4X really ticks all the boxes for me. All right, bringing you guys closer in so you can see what I'm talking about. This is the system over here. I did use the adhesive mount because the clamp style would not work for this helmet. And as you can see, this is what it looks like installed. Very nice, clean install. Wires are tucked in away. Very small compared to the Cena system I was looking at. That was quite bulky and would not work for this helmet, and this just fits in perfectly. So I'm going to give you a couple side shots, as you can see. So overall, like I said, this is a no-brainer. It's a very good purchase in my opinion. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this system, show you exactly what it looks like when I got it, and give you an idea of what you're going to get if you choose to get it. Keep in mind, this is the dual, so it's two systems in one package. There are single units, they're a little bit cheaper, but I have two helmets, like I said, for mine and my wife's, and this was the better way to go. Quick look at the box. It's very simple, not a whole lot in here. And then unboxing it. Just like that. This comes off. And you have the systems in there. Like I said, this is a 2-pack unit. I have one installed over here, and that's why one is missing. So if you open it, you have a start here guide. If you scan the QR code, you're able to get the app on your phone and set it up. And you have paper for warranty and safety compliance. You have a rate me paper to give them a rate the service of this product online if you choose to do that. And you have the pocket guide. This pretty much tells you how to set this unit up, things you need to know in order to fully utilize this unit. That's going to be all in here. Like I said, if you have the single pack, there'll be just one box. Since I have the dual units, there are two of them. And we're going to take it out, and I'm going to show you what's in here. All right, so in the box, this is what you get. If you have a single unit, you get single of this plus the instructions. If you have a double or a dual unit, you get two of them. It's that simple. So this is going to be the box this is going to be where you're going to find everything you need to make this install. On the inside, you're going to have everything you need. You have a charging cable. In here, you have the stick-on mount or the adhesive mount, which is what I used to mount on that helmet. You have the microphone, you have the speaker boosters, so it makes the speakers stick out further if you need that, but I did not need it for this helmet. I was able to install it and it sounds awesome without it. And you have the speakers. These are the 40mm JBL speakers. And then you have the actual install cradle or bracket that goes on the side of the helmet, if that works for your style of helmet. And then you have a boom mic. This is more for those with an open face helmet or half helmet, whatever you call it. That's what this is for. For my helmet, I was able to use the regular microphone and it works fantastic. So you do get quite a bit in this kit, and like I said, everything is well done. I'm very pleased with the way everything turned out over here. Zero complaints. So I'm gonna do the install on this helmet. I'm gonna try to video as much as possible and then let you guys know how it goes. Alright guys, so for this helmet, just because the gasket or the rubber plastic the rubber in here is much thinner than mine, I believe I should be able to use this, which I would, because I think it's the better way to do it compared to the adhesive mount. So I'm gonna do this install, put you guys on a time lapse and get this done.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter.
Okay, just to give you a quick idea of how to make this install happen, you need to take out the side curtains or the side paddings, just like this. And in most new helmet, there is always cutout for speakers. So as you can see, this speaker has been mounted with the 3M adhesive mounts stick on there. Same thing for this side, that's been closed up. And that is what it looks like. So this side, all mounted. The microphone is right over here, barely sticking out so it doesn't provide any kind of discomfort. Okay, so as you can see, it's fully installed. Zero problems whatsoever. Like on this unit, like I said before, I was able to utilize the clamp style mount, not the adhesive one. So that's excellent. And it looks awesome. It fits very good. No concerns. The Cardo unit works as expected. And that is it. So if you're considering to getting yourself a comms unit, I would seriously advise on getting this. It's decently priced for what you get compared to what's on the market. You get everything in this. There's no reason, in my opinion, to move up to the Pack Talk Bold or whatever it's called. This has everything you would possibly ever need. Okay guys, so this quick video is just to show you how this works, the install process. It was very simple, very straightforward. Anyone can do this. Just patience and try to make sure you get a clean job when it's all done. That was my aim and that's what I achieved. So both of them are all installed. Excellent quality. I'm very happy. I would recommend this to anyone to buy it. In my books, this is a 9 out of 10. It would get a 10 if it was much cheaper, but it isn't. But you get what you pay for. So I'll give this a 9 out of 10. If you're looking to purchase one, just go right ahead and get it and have a good one.